All right, we are down to the last lock on side number 3. I never thought I would get this far. It is now 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm worrying myself to death about this box. I'm just wondering what's inside of it. You know, there's probably, and in my wildest dreams, I think the dude is like a multi-billionaire, and this is full of cash. It's going to help me buy a bunch of new locks to do videos on. Anyway, at 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is that watch lock that dude attached. Every time I move this box, he gets an email. And apparently there's some kind of alert system. Every time there's a severe shock or something, it sends an alert, wakes him up. 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm thinking, let's wake the dude up. What do you say? Give him a couple of, wake up, dude! Wake up! Wake up! All right, now that I'm sure he's watching, Reese Secure Lever, a lever lock made in the USA. All right, I'm thinking I'm probably going to have to make a tensioner for this thing because it's got, looks like split. Let's first, it feels like a spring-loaded locking pawl. Let's zoom in a little bit here. I'm thinking the first thing we ought to try is to shim it. I'm always looking for the easy way out, according to my wife anyway. All right, I'm going to take this guy. It is a 10,000 from Sparrows. And it is either from this side no, okay. More likely from this side. Come on, get in there. Come on. All right, let's try something a little stiffer. Yeah, stiffness is always a good thing. Come on. Well, there I was thinking stiffer the better. Get in there. No, it feels like it's shielded. There's something covering it, so stiffness is not going to penetrate. Take that same pick. Wake up, dude. I don't see anything in the top here. So perhaps this is a cheaper lock and it looks like there's supposed to be a mechanism on this side and on this side. Maybe it's only on that side. Yeah, and I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a lever or something right here reflecting, and there's nothing over here. That's completely... That side is completely empty. So whatever mechanism there is, it's over here. So let's take a look at this. All right, so the lever starts about right there. Let's try this. This is called blind jabbing with your stiff pick. Yeah, that's what I meant. Jabbing in the dark. That lever, I can certainly feel it. Right there we go. I'll break my pick. Well, now, there's only one place to jab, and it's right there. Stupid spinner on the front. I should get my pliers and break that off. That would teach the dude. Let's try it the other way. No give at all the other way. I'm thinking there's something spring-loaded on the left side, because over there, nothing. It's got to be over here. You can hear it clicking. I keep blasting right by it. All right, let's get something even stiffer. This guy, 32 thousandths probe. See if we can pry it. I can feel it, spring tension in there. There's a little play in it. There we go. Very strong spring. It appears to be just one lever right there in the bottom. Let me get that out of there. Let me zoom this out so the autofocus will work a little better. In the bottom here, there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little lever in there. You see the light reflecting off of it with a really powerful spring. So let's try it again. And when you push against it, with a little bit of authority, you can get it open. So it's a one lever lock, Reese lock. Anyway, dude, wake up, dude. You should be watching this, man. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal, and I got to get to bed. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, before I go to bed, I just had to try this with my Ultra Stiffy. Here it is. If you just take your Ultra Stiffy and stick it in that really dark crack right there and wiggle it around like so. Come on. There you go. Proof that it does occasionally work. More often than not, it's a fail. You get rejection. But this time it does work. Thanks, guys.